a perfume was named after me in the Khan el Khalili market. What is this? Look at this. Oh my god, dude. Wow. It's like a potions shop back here. Wow. Hello and good afternoon from Cairo. That's right, we are finally back in Cairo again after the road trip around the Delta and the canal cities and the coast, which was amazing. But obviously I'm very happy to be back in the city. I love the city so much. Good to be back with my husband, of course, and my little kitty cat. So yeah, we're back. Today we are actually going up to the market, so it's just kind of a chill, easy video. But there is a surprise in the market, or something funny that I found out actually. So a perfume was named after me in the Khan el Khalili market. There's a shop there. And I'll tell you more about it when we're on the bike and just riding up there. So let's just go. Yalla bina. Here we go to Khan el Khalili. Cairo, Cairo. So this shop that I'm going to, I have filmed there before, and this is how it's all happened. Years ago though, I was in Khan el Khalili market. I feel like one of my first times, but it certainly wasn't. And I filmed a lot of different shops and a few different oil shops, and then I stopped by this one guy's oil shop and he gave me really good prices, and that's on the channel from a few years ago, and it was a good deal and I liked it, so I've gone back to him over the years, and I wouldn't say like necessarily became friends, but we're acquaintances, you know, and I see him riding around sometimes in downtown, or just anytime I go to the market, of course. So yeah, I just say hello, we're friendly. And I've actually asked him about filming the oil, like where the flowers and things like that are grown. I think I'd asked him about that last year, but never ended up accomplishing that. Anyhow, long story short, he messaged me a while back and said, like, I have a surprise. I have named a perfume after you. And yeah, that's pretty much it, I guess. Yeah, I was like, oh, no way, man. He, like, I guess a lot of subscribers have visited his shop after it being in the videos. And then he created this perfume, and he's told people that watch the channel, shit, I need to go this way, brother. That's why I'm always over on the other side there. Anyhow, look at this beast. Too big for Cairo. See? Yeah, he can't get through here. So yeah, that's it. There's a perfume named after me. Come on, bro. Either you go or I go. And I'm pretty out of it today, actually. I'm happy to be back. I've been back for a short while, and figured this would be the first vlog I do back in the city. What is this mess? Oh, Cairo. So yeah, I hope he's there. Actually, I have no idea. I did mention to him, I mean, he told me about this a while ago, and I said I'll make it there when I can, but you know, I've been traveling, a road trip, and so yeah, I said I would come soon, and we'll see if he's there. Hopefully he's there today. Where are you going? Are you trying to turn here? It's like, why are you over in the far right lane though? Stupid. I'm never gonna stop complaining about that shit. Passing over Ataba and all these other areas, busy market areas with this bridge, Al Mosque. I think I need, I don't know what I need. It's getting weird hours of sleep lately. But anyways, we are almost here. That is Khan el Khalili on our left. But I'm going to be parking outside this mosque. Yep. Outside Al Azhar Mosque. I wonder if that little boy's here today. I don't remember his name. Oh man. Traffic jam. Oh, that's not good. Alright, I'm gonna let these guys clear out. Maybe I'll just jump the curb here. But I will come back when we're heading into the market. You don't need to watch this whole procedure. And we're in the market. I just stopped and got some water, and then we're gonna get over to the shop, which is called Warda, which means flowers. So, guys in the market. السلام عليكم عامل ايه؟ اشوفك بعدين. Ibrahim. I finally remembered his name. It's like
الحمد لله. انت عامله ايه؟
انا كويسه الحمد لله.
الحمد لله. ايه الاخبار؟ لايف؟
well not live. You know it's never live. بس I am recording. انا بصور. ايوه. كويس. الحمد لله. Okay, I'm gonna go over there. I'll see you later. Salama. Yeah, I'm like pretty hot and tired today. I really hope I'm eating this here though, because I would love to see this perfume.
It's good for you. لا دكتورة.
All right, this is the shop, and he's here. Yes. Ahlan. This is the man himself. I mean. So yeah, I've been coming here for a long time, and he said that there's news. What is this? Look at this. Oh my god, dude. Yo, made a perfume named after me. What is it called?
This is for Gisselle.
It's just called
Egyptian,
Gisselle.
yeah.
Wow. My actual name too, not Gigi.
Yeah.
Wow, let's see how it smells.
Give me your hand.
Okay. Moment of truth. Oh, very pleasant. What is that, flower?
This mix lotus, mix jasmine.
I love jasmine and lotus. So, did you know that?
Yeah.
He says yeah. Wow, that's beautiful. Okay, amazing, man. How much are you selling that for?
Smell.
So when did you have to tell me more, because he just messaged me and was like, I have a surprise. I named a perfume after you, and I was like, what? So when did you start doing that? Wow. What is that? It's like a potions shop back here. Wow. Are you, you watch Harry Potter?
Yeah, for Gisselle.
Wow. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh God, I just got sprayed in it. Oh, it's very nice though. It's very light. I like it. Yeah, I don't buy oils that often, but when I do, I come here. How long have you been selling this for? The Gisselle.
For body only spray.
بس عايز أعرف كم وقت أنت؟
يقعد قد ايه وقت؟ 3 يوم على الهدوم.
3 months.
ده لو سبراي. ممكن يستعمل ديودرنت للجسم وممكن يبقى
deodorant? You make deodorants here?
Yeah.
I had no idea. Wow.
وممكن يبقى زيت مساج.
Okay, massage oil. I did know that. I bought my mother some massage oil from here. Wow. Okay. And how much is this for like a gram?
Only 1 gram.
I don't know. How much do you normally sell? I don't know anything about the oil still.
ده الجرام بتاعه عامل 30 جنيه يعني جرام 30 باوند.
Okay. But then like how much is in this?
Okay, this bigger.
Yeah, how many grams
دي
are in
كبيرة ديت هحسبها لك ثانية.
I don't know grams. I'm American. And oil and liquids, like I have no idea.
دي المفروض يبقى سعرها 30 جرام في 30 تعمل 900.
What? الثاني؟
30 ml في 30 باوند.
Okay. So there's 30 grams in here.
30, yeah.
Okay. So 30 pounds for 1 gram. There's 30 grams in here. So that'd be 900 pounds. But
Same size 10 ml. This 300. I want discount for Gisselle for my friend only all 200.
Oh,
yeah.
Hook it up.
With same size 30 ml, not 900. I want 800.
Okay. Yeah. So will you give people discounts if they come here?
Only all. For Gisselle, 10% discount.
10%.
Yeah.
So they just need to say it.
For Gisselle, my name
Gisselle. Okay. Or G Ventures.
Okay.
The YouTube channel, guys. If you want to get a little bit of a discount in the market, or smell the one perfume that he named after me. That's so wild. I was like, what? It's kind of cool though. Yeah, amazing.
Yeah.
When are we gonna go down to to see the flowers grow?
Yeah.
I still want to do that. All right, I'm gonna turn the camera off. I'll be back. What's up? Yeah, we're leaving. I'm gonna take off. But شكرا جدا. أشوفك قريب. Bye bye. So yeah, that's the shop, guys.
Yeah, that's right.
It's really at the end of this busy street here in Khan el Khalili. Little flower shop. But or it's called Flower Warda. But I'll leave it. No, مشغولة. So I'm gonna upload or leave a link to the location. I always do that with my videos. Anytime I go to a restaurant or something, I leave a link to where that location is, and I do that, of course, for in the market with the restaurants I filmed here, Khan el Khalili, etc. But yeah, that's that's pretty much it. It's really close to the entrance of the market. I just thought it was so hilarious that I get messaged and he's telling me, oh, I made a perfume named after you. Sorry I didn't film that long there, but you can watch my other videos if you want. The prices for the oils vary according to what the oil is, of course, because some things are more expensive than others. Okay, if looks could kill, I would kill him with my look I just gave him. Hey. Hello, Barbie. Mash. Can't like seriously, every other guy, bro. Just not in the mood today, so I'm ignoring. But yeah, so he said we struggled to communicate a little bit there, and he was saying that some of the stuff in this oil is more expensive than other oils because other oils can be 10 grams or 10 pounds or 20 pounds a gram, but this one's 30. So anyhow, kitty. Oh, what a beautiful kitty. Yeah. I have filmed a lot of videos in this market, you guys. Too many. But I just wanted to show you guys the oil shop and be like, hey, I'm back in Cairo. So I think I'm gonna end the vlog here though, just because I'm sort of zoned out today. Shukran. You guys want to watch? Yeah, all right, I gotta turn the camera off. But I will see you guys soon, and actually I'm traveling again very soon. So, surprise, you'll find out where in the upcoming video or videos, whatever. I might film another one here in Cairo before I take off. But exciting. So thank you so much for watching. Give it a big like, and I will catch you on the next one. Ma salama.